Hello, welcome to jessieathome.com. In this video I'm going to teach you how to make this stitch pattern, which is sometimes called the fan stitch and it's sometimes called a stacked shell stitch. The names are kind of pretty much interchangeable, fan stitch or stacked shell stitch. It's a pretty easy stitch pattern to learn, and it makes, I think, a really pretty little lacy pattern. I think it's really nice in a thinner yarn, but it works really well in a thick yarn as well. So for our tutorial today, we are using Red Heart with Love, which is a worsted weight yarn. The color I'm using is lettuce, and I have a J10 6mm crochet hook. So let's do a little demo of how to make this stitch. Alright, to begin, to make this stitch pattern, you need to it's worked over a multiple of 4 plus 1. So let's say for our multiple of 4, we want 4 times 3, which is 12, plus 1 makes it 13. Now our starting chain is that multiple of 4 plus 1 plus 1 more. We need an extra 1 for this starting chain. So the plus 1 more makes it go from 13 to 14. So we are going to start off with a starting chain of 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now, row 1 is pretty simple. You are going to single crochet into the second chain from the hook and each remaining chain. So let's do that. Second chain from the hook and each remaining chain. So we're just laying down a base of single crochets. And this is going to give us 13 single crochets. And that's our multiple of 4 plus 1. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1 makes 13. So this is going to give us 13 single crochets. Okay, now for row 2 we're going to turn. We're going to chain 3, skip the first 2 single crochet, 1, 2, and place 2 double, chain 1, 2 double in the next single crochet. So there's the 2 we skip. Place 1, 2 doubles, a single crochet, and 2 doubles into the next. Now we skip 3 and do 2 doubles, single crochet, 2 doubles. Skip 1, 2, 3. Two doubles, single crochet, not single, sorry, chain, 2 doubles. Do the same thing. Skip 3, 2 double, chain, 2 double. You do this till you have 2 stitches left, which is where we are right now. And you place a double crochet into the last stitch. And that's our first row. Actually, we have our foundation row of single crochets. This is the first row of the shells, which is actually row 2. So now let's work on row 3. Row 3 is our repeat row. Once you learn row 3, you just repeat it over and over again to make this stitch pattern. So we're going to turn, we're going to chain 3, and then we're going to place 2 double, chain, 2 double into each of the chain 1 spaces from the previous row. So 2 doubles, chain, 2 doubles, and then we hop on over to the next chain, do the same thing, 2 doubles, chain, 2 doubles, and hop on over to the next one, 2 doubles, chain, 2 doubles, and then we place a double crochet into that turning chain. And that's it. You just keep on repeating row 3 to make this wonderful stitch pattern of the fan stitch or the stacked shell stitch. I hope you enjoyed that and you learned how to make the stacked shell or fan stitch pattern, and thank you very much for watching. You can find more stitch patterns and regular patterns and all sorts of fun stuff over at jessieathome.com. Thank you.